Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to check in for my flight.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to Miami.
Okay. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have your flight confirmation?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
That is fine. What time is your flight?
My flight is at 11 a.m.
Let me check. Yes, your flight is on time.
That is good. Can I check one bag?
Yes, you can check one bag.
How heavy can my bag be?
Your bag can be up to 50 pounds.
Okay. Can you weigh my bag, please?
Sure. Please put it on the scale.
Done?
Your bag is 45 pounds.
That is okay, right?
Yes, that is okay.
Can I bring my backpack on the plane?
Yes, you can bring one backpack.
Can I also bring a small purse?
Yes, you can bring one personal item.
Do I need to pay extra?
No, you do not need to pay extra.
That is good. Can I have a window seat?
Let me check. Yes, there is a window seat available.
Thank you. I like window seats.
No problem. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate is my flight?
Your flight is at gate 12.
Where is gate 12?
Gate 12 is after security.
Where is security?
Security is straight ahead on the right.
Do I need to show my passport there?
Yes, you need to show your passport and boarding pass.
Okay. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Usually, yes.
Do I need to remove my belt?
Yes, please remove your belt.
Can I bring water through security?
No, you cannot bring a full bottle of water.
Can I bring an empty bottle?
Yes, you can bring an empty bottle.
Can I bring snacks?
Yes, small snacks are allowed.
Can I bring my laptop?
Yes, but you need to take it out of your bag.
Okay. Is there a tray for my things?
Yes, there are trays at security.
What should I put in the tray?
Put your laptop, phone, belt, and small items in the tray.
Okay, I understand.
After security, follow the signs to gate 12.
Is there a screen with flight information?
Yes, there are many screens in the airport.
Can I check my flight there?
Yes, you can check your flight number and gate.
Good. Is there a bathroom near the gate?
Yes, there is a bathroom near gate 12.
Is there a coffee shop?
Yes, there is a coffee shop next to the gate.
Can I buy food before my flight?
Yes, there are restaurants after security.
Can I use Wi-Fi at the airport?
Yes, the airport has free Wi-Fi.
That is helpful. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Should I be at the gate early?
Yes, please be at the gate 30 minutes before boarding.
Okay, I will do that. Do I need to listen for announcements?
Yes, listen for your flight number and boarding group.
What is my boarding group?
Your boarding group is Group B.
Where can I see that?
It is on your boarding pass.
Oh, I see it now.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Can I change my seat later?
Maybe, but you need to ask at the gate.
Okay. Can the gate change?
Yes, sometimes the gate can change.
How can I know?
Check the airport screens often.
Okay, I will check the screens.
That is a good idea.
Can I charge my phone near the gate?
Yes, there are charging stations near many gates.
Perfect. My phone battery is low.
Then you should charge it before boarding.
Thank you for your help, David.
You're welcome, Emma. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. I feel ready now.
Good. Enjoy your trip.